Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print a shipping label on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started selling on eBay. How do you actually go ahead and print a shipping label on eBay? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first hop into our eBay account, then click on Sell. Or you could actually click on the notification option and click on Paid Ship Now. Or you could actually just click on the item that you've sold over here. So once you click on the item that you've sold, you're going to be redirected to the shipping option, or the shipping page. So right now, these are the order details in which this is the product, this is where it's shipping to. You want to make sure that it is being shipped to the correct address and from the correct address. And you also want to make sure that the weight and the dimensions are the correct size. Afterwards, click on Purchase Shipping Label. So once you've gone ahead and purchased that shipping label, you can either download that label or print that label. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print a label on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.